Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be showing you how to test for a head gasket leak in this Ford Transit. Let's get into it. So we have here a Ford Transit. This Transit is losing coolant very quickly and it's running rough, and there is a lot of white smoke out the back. So we suspect the head gasket's gone. First telltale sign is this black line here in the coolant bottle, which means exhaust gases are probably building up inside the system. But there is a very simple and easy test that we can do, and it's this little kit here. So we have this little thing and we have some fluid. What we do is we bung that into the coolant reservoir, and then we can add some fluid into it just here. Now what this fluid does is it will detect exhaust gases, and when it does, it's going to change colour. So at the moment it's blue. If it goes green or yellow when we start up the engine, that means there are exhaust gases present in the cooling system, which normally means your head gasket has failed. Could be a crack in the head, crack in the block, or many other things, but then you definitely know your head gasket is bad. So let's just start this up and then we'll see what happens. So with our engine now running, you heard there it's running a bit rough, and what will happen, we can accelerate the process if we squeeze one of the pipes. If we squeeze the pipe so it forces the air through the liquid, and then we just wait a few minutes. Hopefully, if we see this change colour, we know there are exhaust gases in the coolant. You may need to leave the engine running for 5 to 10 minutes to get up to temperature. But you can hear the engine's not running right. And as we're squeezing the air through, you can see the colours just starting to change. If you look up here, that's the original colour of the liquid, and if you look here, it's already starting to change. It's only been a couple of minutes. And as the engine gets hotter, if there's a crack or something, then that'll open up due to heat expansion, which will be letting out more gases. And we'll see this liquid change to a yellow or a green. We're doing this in real time, so you can see it doesn't take long. All I'm doing is just squeezing this pipe to force the air back out, but naturally when the engine gets hot, air will come out the top anyway as the coolant expands. now, we can clearly see the colour of the fluid is changing from a nice blue colour to a greeny colour, which should indicate that it's picking up exhaust gases. But we will let this run a little bit longer to see if it will go any darker or yellow. And as we're pumping the air through, each time we're doing it's changing colour slightly. So it's going more greeny yellow now. And this is just a clear indication that exhaust gases are now in the cooling system. We're just going to shut the engine off. So we just shut the engine down, and even still with them gases in there, we can still pump it through the liquid, and you can clearly see a colour change. This bit of kit is very cheap. You can pick it up on Amazon. There's a link in the description if you want to pick up your own one and do a test, especially if you're buying a vehicle and you're unsure. You can just run this test and it will give you a clear indication if your head gasket has failed. So there you have it. That's how you test your cooling system to see if you have a head gasket failure. In this case, the head gasket has failed, and this little bit of kit is fantastic. Link down in the description. Go on Amazon, they're very cheap, and it could get you out of a lot of trouble, save you a lot of money. If you like the content, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.